So we're ready to salad up.
Yeah.
The word. We're ready. The prep is ready. So we have our red leaf lettuce ready. Put it in the bowl. Let's put it right in the bowl. Right in the bowl. Yeah, sprinkle it right in the bowl. And it has the flowers in it. So we have the flowers right there. And also we have the heirloom purple carrot. Let's put everything together. Yeah, we have the turnip is in there as well. We have some red onion and more flowers coming into place. We have the beet. We have the rainbow beet, the chayoga rainbow beet. So you see the vibration here, the vibration. We're gonna put some olives in here.
Okay.
Yeah, some sliced jumbo green olives. We put in a special herb.
This one.
Cilantro, but this is not just any cilantro. This cilantro is 40 times more potent than the regular cilantro herb that you use.
Okay.
You know, your seasoning. This is microgreen. This is microgreen cilantro. So microgreens are a good 40 times more nutritious than the fully grown greens. So get with your microgreens. You must get with the microgreens. Okay, now we're gonna rock a dressing for you. And we're doing a nice dressing. Come up on the side now. We're gonna bring our little chopper here. Have it. We're gonna put a chopper here. We're gonna make a pine nut plum sauce. Let's put our pine nut. So we have a quarter cup of pine nuts that was soaked for 12 hours in the blender. Let's put half of the plum, 1 cup of plum, and we're gonna put 1 kiwi. Put the 1 kiwi in there. And we have to put a Jamaican accent on this thing. We're gonna Jamaicanize this recipe here. So this pine nut sauce, we have a curry powder coming up. So let me find the curry powder. Ay. So we have an organic Madras curry from India. Well, you know, Jamaicans make the best curry in the world. Them
You
really.
don't know?
So, well, you know, we have Indian people in Jamaica. My great-grandmother is from India. So I know we have curry in our genes.
Definitely.
All right, so we have 1 tablespoon of curry powder. We'll drop it right in there. Let's put the top on. So we keep it simple, okay? So make sure the machine is lined up proper. All right, so here comes the pine nut sauce. Let's free up, make the thing dance now, make the thing, you know, do some wine. Yeah. Whoa. Yes, make it wine, make it grind and wine. So what you say? You can grab the spatula. You gotta grab the spatula. Grab the little one right there in the front. Yeah. The one right there. So the final sauce is ready. Put the sauce right there.
Yes.
And I'm going to, open it up. I'm gonna open it up. And I'm going to go ahead and let me toss the dressing. Flip the handle to the left. Turn the handle to the left. Yeah, just so. You're going to toss the salad, just so. Yeah, now take the blade out first before you take the bowl. Sit the bowl down. Free up your hand. Take the blade out. Just lift it out and take the spatula, put it in here. Clear it in here. So we toss the salad. This is it. Great. And we're going to dress it. It's going to be a fully dressed, a well-dressed salad. It may not be the best dress, but it's going to be well-dressed. Yes, that's good enough. She get most of it off. Now, go ahead. Let's add our dressing right there. Let's come there so they can see. Make them see.
All right.
Yeah, you have to style and shine. Make the dressings have this time under the light. The curry. Woo! The curry. Curry won't make you worry.
I can't wait to try this.
Yes. Okay, you toss. Let me toss. You toss. Let me work the machine in here. Here you go. Yes. So we have a plum, pine nut,
Smells so good.
plum dressing, a nice, solid, rich dressing here.
Sorry for who can't taste this.
Sorry for you, but you know, your day is here. We're going to show you some exciting recipes right here. Give me raw.
Give me raw.
Give me raw. Yes, yes, yes. So, wow, the salad
It bad.
ready.
I don't even taste it yet. I
You
know
don't taste it and you see it's bad.
Trust me.
Well, I take your word. I take your word.
So
what
it's
we
me
gonna
alone
do-
going to eat this, right? A joke.
Yeah, of course, of course. So let's go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go ahead and put it
Ooh.
right on our plate right here, right on our dish, so we can show it off. Bring it out of the deep bowl,
Yeah.
and we're gonna put all these things. Yeah, just leave them back there, and let's come back here, and we're gonna put our whole pieces of plum, the chopped plum, right there. Go ahead and drop the rest of the plum up on top of there.
Okay.
Oh yes. So salad ready. Salad ready, ready,
As
ready.
we say in Jamaica, who beg now get, who no beg no want.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So this is how we do it right here at the Sunfired Culinary Institute.